Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring your device is signed into the Google account you want the wallpaper applied to. This ties images to that profile. Next, open the Google app or go to Android settings, display wallpaper, depending on device. If using a Chromebook, open settings, then personalization. Once done, pick whether you're using a local photo, Google Photos, Drive, or a web image so you can select it immediately when prompted. Now choose the source and tap the image you want. For Photos or Drive, navigate folders to find it. Tap crop or adjust so the focal point sits correctly for the screen ratio. Use pinch to zoom to refine. Preview for home and lock screens because some devices scale differently. Make sure text and icons won't overlap important parts. If your phone offers wallpaper styles or live wallpapers, preview animation and finish by tapping Set or Apply and choose Home, Lock, or both screens so the change takes effect immediately. If the wallpaper doesn't stick, make sure Account Sync is enabled and the image file isn't in a temporary location. Also verify any custom launcher settings aren't overriding system wallpapers. If problems persist, restart your device and clear the launcher or Google App Cache. This often resolves stuck previews or scaling glitches, so your chosen image displays correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.